Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable slide down gesture to unlock screen in your Realme 5 mobile phone. Even the screen is open. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the convenient tools. Okay, you'll have to do is click convenient tools. And okay guys, here in convenient tools, okay, you can see the gestures in motion. Okay, you'll have to do is click gesture in motion. And now here in gesture in motion, okay, you can see on the top the screen of gesture. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click screen of gestures. And now here you can see the screen of gesture switch button. And okay guys, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button. Below you can see the add gesture. Okay, you'll have to do is click add gesture. And okay guys, here in add gesture, okay, you can see the slide down gesture. And okay, you'll have to do is click this. And okay guys, now in this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable slide down gesture to unlock screen in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, you all have to do is click unlock. And okay guys, automatically save on slide down gesture. And okay guys, now we can try it. Okay, we have to turn off the screen. And okay guys, now I draw slide down. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled the slide down gesture to unlock the screen in your Realme 5 mobile phone even the screen is off. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.